Hello. Today I'm gonna build out the bed of my Bronco. My buddy Joey's here. He's showering right now, so he's busy. But I'm gonna go out here and take a look at things and see what we're gonna do. Because him and I are gonna drive to Colorado. I thought it'd be fun to build out the back, so that's what we're doing. I think taking the topper down is gonna be the best bet. I might go put on shorts. Okay. Just put on a more appropriate outfit, and it wouldn't be a Hannah video if I didn't change clothes. I think I gotta move some cars around so that we have space to work. Okay, let's try this again. Open. Oh, this is way better. Alright. This is Joey. You met him last week.
Too well.
We're gonna build out the back of the Bronco today because we're gonna go on a road trip to Colorado. But basically what we're gonna do is just like build a platform that goes up here for storage, and then I've got the mattress that I have in the van. I'm just gonna shove in here. It's gonna be very, very, very simple, hopefully.
It always is.
It's always easier than you think it's gonna be.
That's what they say.
Yeah. Alright. Let's do it.
I'm striding here.
It's like right above the wheel well. Okay, have you used a skill saw since you made my bathroom sign?
That was the last time.
Joey made my bathroom sign at the outhouse at the cabin, and he had never used a skill saw before.
The Monty.
And that was a terrifying skill saw to use for your first time.
That thing was sketchy.
Yeah.
But worth it.
Have you? Have you?
Besides that one?
Yeah.
A long time ago. I could use a refresher.
Okay. You're gonna want to stand on this side actually, because you want to hold this. Go at it. What?
Just stay on this side. That's about it.
Yeah. I don't know. Look, okay, so you'll push this and. Someday I'll wish upon a star. Sleep on that.
Nice. It's comfy.
Yeah. Whoa, you be careful. This is not scary. Joey and I went inside for lunch, and I came back out and realized that it rained. So everything's a little bit wet, but it's fine. Oh, that is some wet rug. Nice.
I'm nervous. Look.
Joey's taking over while I go for a bathroom break. He'll be your host for now.
Okay. Hey guys. I'm Joey.
Don't goof around inside.
Hi. We don't goof around with saws here. Where's the music? Alright. Starting to get the hang of it. And it's not the worst teacher. Don't tell her I said that though. Alright, we need some music. You didn't wash your hands.
I left them wet specifically so I could do that too.
You peed on your hands for that? Ah! We had kind of an awkward moment when you left.
We did, huh?
Yeah, I just didn't, I don't know.
Did you toot?
No, I didn't toot, I just didn't, I don't know, did you guys feel that? I don't.
You didn't know what to say?
I didn't know what to say, I'm sorry.
Wow, normally you can't shut them up.
I got nervous and I don't know.
Swear I'm better, swear I'm better. Oh, that's the good stuff. No, it's specific.
I want it. You like my hair. She thinks just bought it. I'm not bad cut. Make your mama sad cut. Good. Get from you. Take control. Even. I'll let you pick the ball. I'm not bad cut. I've been done. I've been moving on. Don't on the alcohol. So.
Alright.
So let's ride. Let's ride.
Let's ride.
Let's ride. So crush your
Oh, we're gonna go grab the mattress.
I like your dice.
Thanks, Annie got them for me. Alright, Walt, we're stealing your bed.
You know, Ooh.
Alright, you're sorry, you're in the garage because it's raining. Just tell her have some socks. Oh, howdy friends. I have sent Joey on a mission to go get these like under bed storage bins that we're gonna use as drawers for the build out, but in the meantime, my ThredUp package has been delivered. ThredUp is sponsoring this video. ThredUp is an online thrift store. They wanted me to tell you that the month of August is secondhand month, so it's pretty cool that I get to share all of their new features with you. The way that I've used their searching in the past is just a lot of the filtering, like by style and size and color and pattern. The beauty of ThredUp is that it's a thrift store, but it's ginormous, right? And it's very convenient because it's online and it gets delivered to you, and I'm out in the middle of nowhere. But they've been really focusing on their search features, which is really cool. If you've seen an outfit, like if you've been on Pinterest or you took a photo of a friend or somebody, you can upload that photo and find clothing similar to what they're wearing. And then the other one is like a chat feature, and you type in kind of what you're looking for in the chat bar. They'll come back with kind of the style that you're looking for. Change the way you thrift with ThredUp. Try these new features yourself by using my link below to find every style for every occasion. Focused. Nice. We did not finish. Is he coming? We did not finish the truck bed yesterday because it started raining. Hey, what? Were you raised in a barn? Close the door.
If I was raised in a barn, probably would have closed the door.
Hey.
Good morning. Taking it off? Or just rolling it up?
I'm just rolling this up. Do we have to cut it more?
Yeah.
So what we're trying to do here is we've got this platform, and then we're trying to build like another thing over here, obviously because the bed needs to go this long, but this way we can lift it up and have storage. Finally got the other side. Yes? I'm gonna take Joey's thirst traps for him. Let's go into the video. No, come on. Come on, be serious. Quickly, sir. Yeah, shirt off.
If I ever get around it, I'm gonna put my things away.
I feel like I can get you to do anything.
If I ever get around to living,
Won't ever play with God, but I shall when I hear that whistle blow. I hate and cry.
Got 2 more 9.5ers for you.
9.5ers. Are you having fun?
I am having fun.
You having a good time?
Always having fun.
Camera's almost dead, but we've done diddly did it.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at that. They lift up. Storage. Prime real estate. That's where Joey's head goes. Sounds like I'm gonna decapitate you. Alright, I'm doing it. We've done it. We made the full frame. Front side flips up for storage. It's also like 5 p.m. right now. And we were trying to leave tonight. I'm running a little behind. But I believe in us. Okay, we're gonna see if this fits my clothing. Like it's meant to. Oh, it does. Compact, fits. Very good. Love that. Got it. Nice out. I don't know if I mentioned this, but we're going to Colorado for an overlanding expo that Joey has got a booth at. We decided to buy some Lupin Lane coffee there. If you want to buy coffee, you can go buy it on our website, lupinlaneco.com. It's not too bad, is it? This is all coffee. We're leaving. It's time. We're all packed up. How you feeling, Joey?
I'm excited. I haven't been on a road trip in like, I think it's been a couple of years. Ooh. A little less excited now. This is going to be crazy.
Excuse me, darling.
Yeah. Have you seen the Lana Del Rey music video?
I have not seen the music video, I can guarantee it.
You haven't?
I have not.
Well, that's what our road trip's going to be like.
Oh, cool. We'll have to watch it. Wow, look at the sunset. I mean, you can't really see it, but it's pink.
Really pretty. This is so beautiful.
We'll send off.
Road trip. Hey Hannah, where are we heading?
We're heading to buckle your seatbelt, bro.
Never heard of it.
Are we really gonna find fruit here in Colorado?
Probably not. You leaving without me? Hannah. Oh shit. Pet it.
Change the way you thrift with ThredUp. Try these new features yourself by using my link below to find every style for every occasion.